Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today we're going to be making an absolutely delicious cookie cake. That is right, this cake is festive, it's fun, it's delicious. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. We're gonna whip it up really quick and we're gonna jump straight into it. Don't go anywhere, let's get to it. So first up, I am going to grease my skillet. Once you have greased your skillet, preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 degrees Celsius. Next, we're going to beat our butter on a medium speed until smooth and creamy. Add your sugars and beat again, and then add your eggs and vanilla and beat until light and creamy in color. In a separate bowl, whisk the flour, cornstarch, baking soda and salt together until combined. Then slowly add it to the wet ingredients and continue to beat until just combined. The cookie dough will be quite thick. Now we can fold in our chocolate chips and M&Ms. We're going to fold until well dispersed and combined. Woohoo, it looks fantastic! Turn the cookie dough out and into your skillet. Then we're going to evenly spread it out until it meets the sides. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes and lightly brown on top. Oh my God. Now that is a cake that you want in your life. Cookie cake time! Smells so good. I like my cookies a little bit soft in the center and crispier on the outside. I like it because it goes that nice and chewy kind of texture when you do allow it to cook that little bit longer in the actual skillet or whatever you're cooking it in. So this will continue to cook as well, so keep that in mind. Okay, so I have been letting this cool. It is mostly cool. I just can't really wait any longer. I'm just too excited. So I am going to go ahead and start with the last bit of frosting just to make it that really bit more festive. How pretty pink frosting. Tastes like straight sugar, and like that, the flavor of like a donut from Donut King. That's exactly what it tastes like. I actually think that might be the glaze now that I think about it. So I'm just making my little piping bag here. Okay guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to cut ourselves a piece. Let's go. And of course, because it's a cookie cake, you have to cut it like a cake. Oh yeah, still melty in the middle. Hell yeah. Here we go. So cut like a nice little crispy top to it. This bit's got a really nice bit of chocolate here. Oh dear. This is insanely good. First impressions, irresistible. Your brain is just gonna be like more. Okay guys, we've got all of the amazing features of an ideal cookie going on here. So we've got chewy texture, we've got crunchy texture, we've got soft and gooey center. It's just like insane. So you have to make this recipe. It is so good. And then when paired with this strawberry fondant, like there's like an insane balance thing going on here where you're just like, unexpectedly, it's amazing. I'm so glad I made this today. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for something that is truly unique and that little bit extra, something different to your average cookie, this is it. This is like something really special here. Please make it at home. Everyone's gonna love it. If you're having a party, this is your new cake, a cookie cake. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys, in the kitchen. I hope that you love this recipe as much as I do. I know you are, so please try it at home. And if you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well, because I'm gonna have new videos coming out all the time. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon.